Good job, honey. Can you open the book and find the different things it coordinates with? Can you put the lid on? Haley, how do you put the lid on?
Haley, can you want me to take this? Open the book. Your job is mad. Look under the cloud. What's under the cloud? Here's his right here. There it is, Haley. Look. Look. What's under there? Oh, the sun. Where's the sun? That's it.
Good job, honey.
What's under there? Let's look under here. Look under. Oh, who is that? Donald Duck.
He might be in the other window. Oh, no, he's not.
There's Donald Duck. And then there's one here, Haley. Look. Look. Look in that one. Oh, ants. Where are the ants? Good job. Under the cake. Look at the cake. Under the cake. No, we're not going to tear it. No. Just the ladder.
It's like, fine, I'm not going to play that game then.
What is that?
Yuck. It's a little furch.
Here.
Trash.
There, it's gone. Now it's gone. I know what I can. Those two shirts you had on, I don't know where they are. Remember?
Oh, yeah.
But I saw those at me.
Yeah. Hi, sweetie. I forgot about this. Where are you going? We don't climb on the table.
Haley, where are you going?
Say, Mimi, get me down.
Haley.
Get down.
You'll fall down. Here, Mimi get you. Come on. Come on.
No.
Haley, we don't climb on the table.
You'll fall down. Oh!
Oh!
Mimi loves you.
Say, Mimi, come on.
What do you want? Whoops.
Whoopsie. Oh, the lock.
Oh. Oh, shall we lock it?
It's like, well, while it's open, we better lock it.
Here. Ooh, here, you take this. There, put the lid on. Put it on. Put it on. Mimi's gonna lock it. Because there's stuff in there you don't need.
Say thank you, Mimi. Say thank you, Mimi.
Bananas are 39 cents a pound. Oh, sorry. Banana?
Say please. Okay.
Thank you.
Oh. Oh, please, did I just see that? Haley,
It's recorded for life.
where did you learn those manners? Certainly not from Mama or Dada. Unfortunately, Granddad had
Oh, it was Mommy.
the
Is that who it
opportunity to
was?
see that. What, honey? Oh, I can't get in there. It's too small for Mama. But we can put Bear or something in there with you. You want Bear?
Here, let me get Bear for you. Let's take this one. Here you go.
Yuck, yuck.
Uh-oh.
Thank you.
There, here's your bear. I'm putting this bear in here. There you go. There.
See you later. Say honk honk.
Go for a ride. Come on. Come on.
No talking on the phone while you're in the car. You want Mimi to sit? Oh my goodness. Look at this. We hold the chair for her, it might move.
Here, Mimi pick you up because
No, just hold the chair. She can figure it out.
I know she can. Light.
You have to scoot the chair up. I can't fit in there. It's too small for Mommy.
This was a pretty good tea.
Vroom vroom. See you later.
Turn the wheel.
Drive that car. Do we know where your keys are? I wonder where your keys are.
Oh, they were in the back. Let me see your keys back here. No, just a banana and a shoe. Where are your keys?
You gonna talk on the phone while you're driving? That's not very safe. You need to do hands-free. Put it on speakerphone. She can't get the door shut.
Here. You want it open or shut? You better put your phone in the back of the car. Where are you going to put your phone?
Here's Bear.
Put your phone in your kitchen, Haley. Put your
Where does
phone
the
here.
phone go? The phone goes in the kitchen. Can you
Right
put it
here.
back? You want to put Bear at the table and chairs? Bear can sit with you.
Oh, look at that. Hi, Haley. Hi, Haley. There.
Good job.
Talk. Say hello.
We're gonna have to buy double A batteries.
Oh, okay.
I want 3 of them.
Okay. You want to sit at the big table? You can do it. Grab Mama's hand. Maybe it'll help, huh?
There's Santa.
Granddad's playing with your toys. There's the Night Before Christmas, Bear.